Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a quick little intro video that I wanted to do for the video you're about to see on this brown smoky makeup look that I did. I'll try to put a picture right here. I filmed this video a few months ago. It was kind of when I was first trying to get a feel for doing makeup on camera and kind of getting more comfortable, and I also wanted to see how the whole time-lapse recording of like a makeup look would turn out. So I filmed this then, didn't think I was gonna post it, and then now that I've started my channel, decided why not, because the makeup look actually turned out really nice, and it's a sped up version. You're not gonna get like this kind of detailed tutorial, but you kind of see what I'm doing as the video goes on. And yeah, once again, I'll leave all the products in the description below, and if you have any suggestions for what you want to see in the future as I keep posting, let me know. And again, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.